Hi guys. Now that we understood CAR and CDR function, let's discuss now about the CADR function. It is basically the CAR of CDR. So that function returns the second item in the list. So let's see our previous example. We have 4, 6, and 9. So the CAR of CDR. CDR is the remaining item in the list after the first item. So this is what we have. So getting the CAR of that will just give us the first item of that list. Okay? So we should be getting 6. By definition, it says it returns the second item in the list. Yep, that's 6. Another example we have was a list of hello, how are you? Forget to put in the list. See, it returns the second item. If we also have a list of list and we get the CADR of that, we have here the list of 1, 2, 3, another list of characters A, B, and C, and another list of names, so we should be getting the second item in the list, which is the ABC. Alright, if we now apply the CADR into the definition data of the line from our previous example, let's get rid of these. So it says the second item in the list. This is the first item, so this is the second item. That's why it's called CADR, because it's actually interpreted as the CAR of CDR. This is our CAR and this is our CDR. So now this becomes the primary list. So if we get the CAR of this, we get this first item, which is the association list of line. Okay? That's how you read it, the CAR of CDR. If we now apply the CADR into our get and last command, we should be getting the line. Here you go. So that's it. Once you have a good understanding, it's becomes second nature to you. Very easy to interpret now how is the AutoCAD data model is being translated or retrieved from all of these, based on all these list functions. Alright, so that's how CADR works. I'll see you in the next video.